live, it says. Do you see us? Not yet.
Not yet. Does this mean I am live on YouTube now?
It says 15 people see something. Woo!
Awesome!
Hi, people.
Yeah.
Frank, you need to introduce yourself
Yeah.
to the live
Hello.
stream.
Hello. Hi, my name is Frank.
This is Frank.
Yes.
I'm Martha. We're now on the live stream at Post Data Community Summit with
At the
a
internet.
lot of cool people here.
Yeah.
Say hello, people. Oh, no. It's too fancy, Brian.
Yeah, it works.
Yay!
Hello.
Okay, awesome.
Very awesome.
So, what would be super cool now?
Yeah. Show us.
If you actually
write comments, likes,
do something.
all the social media stuff.
Okay, so let's open up this solution. Here we have our real-time dashboard. And
Something is happening.
I hope so. We should have had like one more thing happening. Yes, it's over there.
Awesome.
Live stream. Okay, so this is, we're monitoring my videos, being really like self-centered in this demo. So I've published 2 videos in the last couple of days on like government stuff, really good videos, you should watch them.
Yeah.
And then we've been monitoring how is it going with like likes, okay, and what are the views, what's the growth of that, and then I see that my one video is really outperforming the other one. So that's interesting to see, but it's really small. But here we see, can I change the view? So I only see it a tiny bit.
You mean filter?
Yeah, I want to like zoom in on like today. You know?
Time ranges last 1 hour, and maybe last 50 minutes or something.
But I still get all this.
Martha, click on pages on the left menu. On the left hand side, there is pages.
Yes, thank you.
Click on
Yay! You're so brilliant. Okay, so these stats, that's you. And we see there, we have people viewing. Awesome. Nice. Can we see something else?
The Devang is live debugging.
Oh,
awesome.
so this is a real-time demo.
Yeah. Real time in so many.
And we're real-time debugging.
Yeah.
But while you do that, we can just, I guess, show this. So obviously this is a dashboard that you can set up, and it's.
Oh, the ID changed.
Oh,
okay.
No.
Okay.
Can we change it?
Yes, we will.
Okay, awesome.
That was probably my fault. Sorry about that. So how fun are we on our we need to entertain the audience.
Awesome. Yeah.
Yes, we have swag.
Even more swag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any questions?
And we have stickers as well. So please, after the session, please help yourself with the stickers, right? Really awesome.
Yeah, it's great.
Why did your dashboard say you have 1,000 concurrent users?
Because I like to hype it up a bit. No, wait, this one?
Yeah.
No, I think it's actually just showing.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, fake it till you make it.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Because I like to pretend that my YouTube is super cool. A lot of things. No, but are we able to make any changes?
Almost.
Almost there?
Okay, so.
Awesome. Yeah, that's fun.
You have to tell like 2 more jokes.
Two more jokes. Okay, yeah, well, maybe.
But any questions? Any questions? We do have time for questions.
Yeah.
Yes.
With connecting Fabric to a database, does it do log analysis?
Connecting Fabric to a database. Well, there is what you could do is you could, I don't know the name for this, but what you could do is you can stream in log data from a database, from a SQL database to Fabric, and then to Fabric real-time intelligence and analyzes there. Do you know, Matt, how this was called? The SQL mirroring? Not SQL mirroring. It was the pardon?
Shortcut.
No, shortcut. No.
The question is if you could do.
I
So.
part of the Fabric process is for BI,
Yes.
and that can be used to analyze the log file and the database.
If you can use Power BI to analyze the log files in the database.
Sure.
Definitely. Yes.
Yeah. So you can, the real-time dashboards we're showing here is only one possible solution to do visualization, right? So what you could do as well is you could use Power BI to access the data in the KQL database and do analytics there as well. Yes. Any other questions? Question?
So regarding LiveStream,
Yeah.
it's can I connect it to my internal Kafka cluster, or it need to be on Azure to be able to
Internal Kafka cluster.
Yeah, let's say that we have an on-prem cluster. Can I
Does-
connect it to it, or-
Does it support the data gateway? I'm not sure about this.
I think you can source from a custom endpoint. And then as long as you have like Kafka custom endpoint on your
Yeah, that's-
you can connect to that.
That's a good one. Yes. What you could do is if you have these, as Marta showed, there you can have this this custom endpoint, and the custom endpoint is like an event hub. So what you have is you have a connection string, you have event hub name as well, and if you put this into your Kafka and say, well, send the data there, then this will work. Yes. Thank you. Then I think this is also for T-shirt, but yeah, first. You got a T-shirt already.
Yeah. So what are some of the advantages or disadvantages to using the event house as your destination as opposed to your lake house?
What are the
It's
advantages and
okay. That's a very
of
good.
using your
it's-
event house versus your lake house.
This is a very good question as well. So the thing is that what we said is that all of the data is stored in the one lake, right? With a little star on this, which not really all of the data is stored. So the data in the event house is stored in the KQL database, right? And this is more or less the distinction between both of them. So if you have a lake house, then you have then your data is in the one lake and is like Parquet files you could use then in a lake house as tables, right? And in event house, all the data is streamed into the or in an event house, all the data is stored in the KQL database. Right. This is the distinction. The other thing is what you could do is because maybe you want to have the data from the event house in your lake house as well, but you don't want to copy. So what you could do here is you can also have like a shortcut, right? So you can access from your lake house. You can access data which is in your KQL database without copying it, right? And on the other hand, as we already said, what you could do as well is you can just through the event stream stream your data in the KQL database and in the data lake for archiving purposes.
I'm gonna stay here. Okay, because we're out of time, and believe it or not, there was a bug in the real-time demo. But it was my fault.
No, it was the API.
What's the API?
YouTube changed the API.
YouTube
Awesome.
changed the API?
We are not sending the concurrent viewer data
Okay.
point anymore.
So YouTube changed the API. That was rude.
This is,
And we're sorry about that. But hopefully you enjoyed the demo and you enjoyed the live stream. To all our viewers watching, we love you. And stay tuned for the next sessions in our
learning path. Exactly.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
So one thing I'm a little confused.
Yes.
So Fabric
Yes.
have at least half a dozen database inside of it.
Well, not.
Well,
not
they have a KQL database.
okay, yes.
They have data lake,
Yeah.
data warehouse.
Yeah, but the
Sorry,
in
so-
the
Yeah.
notebook also
And
have a
stream.
database as well. So
no,
why
not
is so
not
many?
not, not not really. So most of the databases except from KQL are on the one lake. So